Good day, everyone. Good day. Today, I present to you my various tools for CPA network. These are the various tools I've been using for a while now, and these tools they've been so very good to me. I've been using these tools to majorly do my organic self-clicking, and these tools all of these tools, all, they are developed by yours truly, they are developed by me. So the first tool I'll be showing you in this video is this stealth browse. Is this stealth browse? You can see in front of it stealth browse by cyberscanner. So let me show you the first tool. Okay, this is an anti-detect browser. So I will click on open dashboard now, and you will see that this is an anti-detect browser. I have not set up the configuration. By the time I set it up, then it will be normal. Let me show you how valid this tool is. Okay, let's go to protection settings now, and let's click on enable all. Then in this place, let's click on protection tests. Okay, canvas protected, all of these are protected. Now the major thing I usually use this tool for is to get valid user agents. I've embedded inside of this tool valid user agents. So I will click on user agents now, then I will click on all device, I will click on Samsung, then I will copy one of these user agents. Let me click on this copy. Why did I copy it? I will not be using this anti-detect browser for this. I'll be using another tool I developed. Let me show you this particular user agent mash. This one, it mashes your user agent together and it will be a valid user agent. So I will click on custom and I will do what? I will insert that user agent and we click on apply to tab. You can see on all these extensions that they have my tag and they have my tag up there as well. You can see them right there right now. The next thing I'll be showing you after setting this up, okay? Let me show you that that thing is working. So I'm going to type what is my user agent, and you are going to see my user agent right now. Can you see the user agent I just put there now is there? So that's to tell you that it's working across all my browsers now. So the next thing I'm going to do is I will click on this particular personal data generator. This one can be used to generate personal data, and this data can be used anytime it is writing low consistency. I will not use it. I'll just click on refresh, refresh, refresh. I'm looking for the one of medium. Okay, this medium one is working. Now the next thing I will do is to copy this name. I want to copy this Steven Wilson. Copy this Steven Wilson. Okay, this email address, actually it is working, but I'm not going to use this email address. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do like this. And I'm not going to use this phone number as well. I have a way of using phone number. There's a particular way to that. So the name I copied, I will now come to email validator, email validator. Okay, I want to validate that name with an email. So I'm going to change this Steven to this, then add any number of my choice. Okay, then I'll put at gmail. I want to know if there is a Gmail that is validated with this, that is working. Can you see even the SMTP of this email is working? Everything is working. Now for me to know if this email is actually working, there's something I will do with this my tool. I will come to AI tool. Okay, come to AI tool, then I will paste that email, this particular email. I'll copy it now, then I'll come to AI tool and paste that email there. I want to see the information of that particular email. Overall score, the reputation of this email is 73. The domain age is 9 years ago, so this email is actually valid. The domain age is 9 years ago, is valid. But that's not all I'm going to do. Then this email delivers to inbox 51%, security is 73. This email, so I'm going to come down to this email score. I want to see the score of this email. Let's see the score of that email. I'll click on score. So let's see, it is 92% and it is excellent. That means this email address can be used for self-clicking. The next thing I'll be showing you with my tool is this. I'll be clicking on this particular extension. Okay, this particular extension is what makes my fingerprint to be valid. So I will come to this advanced settings. I will put all my proxy settings. This is where you put your proxy details. Then you click on save, click on back, and I will click on test connection. I want to, so my connection after testing it is showing me this particular place, but that's not all. I will come and match this IP address together. Now, why am I doing all this? Is to stay undetected. These tools, they are working for me, and it's only because I'm explaining it like this. By the time you use it, there's a secure environment to use everything together. But I've split the tools one after the other so that I can explain them. So I will come to IP browser time. I want to sync this IP. I want you to sync, yes. So my time zone is now synced. Okay, now let me go and validate my IP address right now. I will come to IP validator. I will click on check current web page. I want to see my current IP address. Okay, let's see. American Chicago. That's the only thing I need. That's the only thing I need. Proxy detection not detected. Risk score 0. Can you see? So this is a legitimate residential IP address with a low risk. Can you see there? So now the only thing I just need is just that not detected. Okay, I can use the AI tool as well to know, to score the tools. The next thing I'm going to do is to open a new tab, and I will go to this particular link website. I want to go and verify my details with this website. So what I really want to verify in this website, can you see they are here? So let me refresh my page. Okay, and for you to see that I'm not manipulating anything. The VPN is not detected. DNS server is the same country. IP and browser the match. No web RTC leak. Flash is disabled. Now the score is 100%. Can you see? My score rating is 100%. So now let's go and validate. Can you see? VPN detection is not listed in any VPN. The same country, IP match, no web RTC, this. Now let's go and validate the user agent. This is the user agent I used, and is very, very, very valid. Now, can you see my browser? My browser is Facebook. Now there's a way to use all this. I have a pool of user agents. When I use this stealth browser, I'll just come to open dashboard, come to user agent, come to this. I can choose the one of Windows now. Okay, I can choose the one of Samsung first. You can choose from iPhone, Windows. Just select randomly, and you can come to Facebook desktop. That's where you see the one of Windows under the Facebook desktop. You can come to common browsers too. Actually, that one has another method. I usually use this. So these two, you cannot find these tools on the internet, because some people may be thinking some people will be thinking that oh, I do not need your loan, thank you, I do not need it. So some people may be thinking maybe they can get these extensions on the internet. No, you cannot get these extensions on the internet. These extensions, they are specially designed, and I developed them by myself. So you cannot get them on the internet. I designed them, I developed them, I sat down, I did everything, and I use this for my self-clicking. Thank you. Now, if I want to perform any tasks now, I can easily perform